Hi guys, hi Leos. This is a reading for you for the month of August. Before I begin, there are two things I would like to ask you. One is that please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't done that already. And number two is that this is a general reading, so if it doesn't resonate with you, please leave it. And if it does, fantastic. So I'm going to read for you. Leos, the people who have been working, who are employed. So a general overall energy for them. Please, angels, help me to get a clarity for Leos who, for the general reading for month of August, for people who are employed, people who are working, people who are working somewhere in any organization or with any kind of project where they're working as a job. So please tell me what is the energy for Leos for the month of August who are working. Okay, so Queen of Pentacles. So this is a great card, guys. People who are working in people who are working as a job, who have a job. This card comes up with a lot of good energies, saying that you are on your way to be very it's going to be a period. August, as we know that even sun is entering into Leo, so there is going to be a lot of spotlight, there's going to be a lot of sunlight, a lot of positivity, a lot of confidence for Leos. So this is saying that you are going to be pushed into limelight, and there's going to be good contentment related to your work, to your job, and there is going to be money flowing in, there is going to be abundance, but you need to be grounded, you need to stay grounded, you need to be practical also, because it's important that you put your ideas into practical ideas and you see that they are workable and doable ideas. So if you are into a job, just make sure that you are I'm sure that security is coming your way. You're going to be secure very soon if you have not been till now. And I see abundance, I see being more kind of in the sense that in the scene, where you would be definitely getting more kind of responsibilities. Now I'm going to see for Leos who are into business for the month of August, the overall energy for Leos who are into business for the month of August, who are into business, their own business for the month of August. What is the general overall energy? Please, angels, help me to understand, give me a clarity on that. So again, for the business here, Leos, there has been hurt, there has been kind of despair, there kind of frustrations which have been happening on the business front. Things have not been going the way you wanted them to be, and there is a kind of a hurt related to work, but I think this is a time to let go, and you really need to leave things behind now, because month of August comes with a new light, with new positivity, with new confidence, and it's the time to heal yourself and let go of things which did not work, or people who were not there for you, people who maybe have hurt you, or maybe for any other reason that things did not work out. The business maybe it was not exactly working the way you wanted to work, or things were not really good, but now it's time to let go, because August is definitely going to give you that kind of energy, the sun energy, which is energy of confidence and positivity and new hope. So August comes with that new hope for you, and I see that you would be kind of regenerating and rejuvenating again, and coming up with something and going and letting go and going to the next. As we know, life is to move ahead. That's how we roll, right? So now this is a general overall reading for Leos, people who are into creative arts like painters, musicians, writers. What is the month of August going to be like for them? Well, how is month of August going to be for Leos who are into creative fields? Musicians, writers, singers, poets, anything. Designing, anything which is creative. So let's see Okay, so the card is Temperance card, guys. So Temperance card is basically that you need to understand that there has to be a balance. Also, there has to be a balance of energies of masculine and feminine. That means that while you are making good creative ideas and you're working on them, but you have to see that they're doable and put into action in the month of August. Make sure that they are very well synergized, because sometimes we like to have beautiful creative ideas, but they are really not very practical. So we need to see that they're very practical, they're very doable ideas, and you kind of are very balanced and stay calm. And more you are centered in yourself, more you are calm, more you are into your creative self, because ourself, when we are inside ourselves, when we are in center, when we are calm, and we are like feeling one with us and the universe, the creative ideas will flow, and it really flows very beautifully. You'll get beautiful ideas. So it all basically depends on how balanced you are feeling. So please, if you are not feeling balanced, meditate more, maybe sit in the nature, watch any stream, go to the mountains, maybe listen to good music, anything which helps you to center yourself and meditate. Even a cup of tea taken with a lot of awareness, you can just sip it and feel that beautiful liquid flowing through you, or cup of coffee, anything which works with you, guys. There is no fixed formula for centering yourself. It is individual. So please do that. Okay, so now I'm going to see an overall energy for Leos as complete as a zodiac. What is the overall energy for Leos for the month of August? For whole of Leos, for Leos for the month of August, the overall energy. What is the overall energy for Leos for the month of August? What does the angel want to tell you? Okay, so it is a time to leave and end things which have not been working with you, Leos, and going and taking on to something new. It is a time to end things which have not been really resonating with you, for your soul. It is a time that you let go of things which are ending things. Anything, it can be anything. It can be relationships, it can be people in your life, it can be your work, it can be anything which is really not kind of giving you that kind of calmness, or anything which is not really resonating you, making you happy, fulfilled, or anything which has hurt you, or anything which is toxic. Let it go, and just walk away and to the new dawn, to the new beginning. It is going to be a new beginning for you guys in August. There is definitely, because the sun is going to be there in your own house, and that is, I'm talking about the sun sign Leos. So the whole thing is going to be lighted up. Everything is going to be lighted up. Everything is going to come up more sharply for you, and you would be able to see with a lot of more clarity. But in order to progress, in order to go to the next level, it is very important, very pertinent that we leave what is not working for us. Now I'm going to see what is Archangel Michael going to tell you. What is his message for Leos for month of August? What does he want you to know? What does Archangel Michael wants you to know for the month of August? Leos, Archangel Michael, what would you want Leos to know for the month of August? Okay, so be gentle with yourself. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm saying. It just says you need to be gentle with yourself. You don't have to beat yourself up for things which have been going wrong. Be gentle, be into nature, take care of yourself, take care of your health, rest, relax, have the time for yourself, and sit down and meditate, or just flow with the nature, just flow with life. Don't don't get obsessed with things. Don't, even though you feel that you have the confidence to go full swing, do that. It's okay, but then also take time to rejuvenate, take time to recharge your batteries. That's very important. Be gentle with yourself, be loving to yourself. How you talk to yourself is also very important. Please talk lovingly to yourself. Be there for yourself. It is very important. Now one more overall energy I'm going to read for Leos, which is coming from fairies. So fairies, what would you like Leos for the month of August? What would you like them to know for the month of August? Okay, so it's talking about admitting your true feeling to yourself. So basically, what I want to tell you here is that sometimes, in in this whole den of working, in this whole den of life, we kind of miss out on things which are important to us, or we don't listen to our heart. So it is important that we kind of rest in our heart and understand that what is the feelings, what is the heart telling us, what is it that we really want in our life. Sometimes we really need to question that. Actually, we need to question that all the time, so that we are in sync with the universe, in sync and aligned with our true purpose. So I think this is the time that you need to admit your true feelings, and also not get into a ego kind of a cycle where, you know, what happens that you have feelings for example, we have feelings for someone, but in because we have so much of human ego, and we are kind of holding back and thinking that this man or this woman is going to come and tell me, I'm not going to take the first move. But I would say that always, if you feel so strongly for somebody, always take the first lead and communicate gently, lovingly, as fast as possible, as soon as possible. It really never hurts, you know. Also, don't let, as I said, like, don't let your ego come in between. Admit what you're feeling. Also, that when you're feeling that you're not really kind of doing very well with life, you're not feeling very good, your health is not doing well, you need to rest. Please rest. If you're feeling that okay, now maybe, you know, I should change my diet, or I should take care of my food, or maybe be more consistent with healthy diet, please do that. So listen to your heart, more than your mind. Listen to your heart. Don't analyze always so much. So this is a reading for you guys, for Leos. I hope it resonated with you. Thank you so much, and all the best for the month of August. Namaste.